What's up, Warriors? Another day, another music reaction. So we have another Buy Me a Coffee request, which was by George. George, you asked that we react to Make It Rain by Foy Vance. So this is completely new to me. No idea who this is. I did see when I opened the video, so it says here, Make It Rain, written by Foy Vance and also performed by Ed Sheeran for Sons of Anarchy. Sons of Anarchy is a series about Hells Angels, bikers. I love, 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 love. It's a hectic series and so worth watching for anyone who knows anything about the life of a biker. So do yourself a favor, watch it. It's some serious. There's actually actual Hells Angels that also plays in that series. But digressing, the fact that Foy is the one who wrote the song for Sons of Anarchy, already good impression. So it looks like this might only be an official audio video. I'm not entirely sure. This is the link that you provided me with, George. So this is the one then that we will react to. I don't know if we should go look for a live. But otherwise, let's just put our headsets on and let us appreciate the music. Because I can promise you, you're going to want to appreciate this one. By the way, I'm only saying that because I've watched Sons of Anarchy. I have no idea who's Foy Vance. No clue.
When the sins of my father way down in my soul,
Oh, very jazzy, ne?
the pain of my mother will not let me go.
Oh, hectic.
Well, I know there can come fire from the sky to refine the purest of kings. Even though I know this fire brings me pain, even so, Lord, just the same.
Woo!
Make it rain, 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 make it rain. Every seed needs the water
Oh,
for it grows out of the ground. But it just keeps on getting high, and the hunger more profound. Well, I know there can come tears from the eye, but they may as well be in vain. Even though I know these tears will bring me pain, even so, Lord, just the same, I'll make it rain, make sea is filled with water. Stops by the shore. Just like the riches of grandeur, never reach the poor.
You need to send me a live for this as well. I need to see this man perform. Whoa.
Let the clouds fill with thunderous applause. Oh, let lightning be the veins that fill the sky with all that they can draw. When it's time to make a change, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. Make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. Oh, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain down, Lord. Make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain down, make it rain, make it rain.
Yeah. If I could whistle, I would. But I can't. Oh, please, 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 can we... Oh, here's the lyrics. But I mean, he sang so clearly, there's no doubt. We know exactly what he sang. How is that for like soul? Like speaking to the soul. I don't know. Is this what you call soul music? For me, it sounded very jazzy. Jazzy, blues, maybe, yes, no, I don't know. Me and genres, I'm useless. I so badly want to see this man perform live. Well, is it a man? Is it a band? I think it's probably just Foy Vance. Sounds like a man. So please send something of alive that you guys recommend. I'm quite curious, why is it that they say live from Bangor Abbey? But this is only audio. Why did they not make a nice video of this? I mean, why would we not want to watch this man sing? Okay, this officially made me want to go rewatch the series. I'm so going to rewatch it. Oh. Like, honestly, with this, you just need a glass of whiskey. See, now I go back into my nostalgia. You guys saw I added to my whiskey nostalgia playlists or mixtapes. You literally just need a glass of whiskey, a book, a fireplace, a blankie, a leather couch, maybe a partner, maybe not a partner. It's some good me time music, you know? Just reminiscing and just feeling the music whilst you read a beautiful book or whatever you're into, crime, fiction, romance. At this point, I will kill for just time to read a nice book. A nice novel. nice romance with a bit of twisty, I don't know, twists and turns, maybe some crime. No book is a nice book without romance. Same with series. There should always be a little bit of romance, even if it's a series about mobs and gangsters and mafia. And you need some love. The world needs love, lots of love. And then this music needs to play. Good music. Oh, George, I'm so grateful. Thank you for introducing me to Foy Vance. Please, information. Give me everything you've got in the comments. Okay. I need to know more. I need to know what other hits are out there, what really made him big. He only has 182,000 subs. So is he um, what do you call it? Is he an older artist? Is he a recent artist or recently discovered artist? I mean, Sons of Anarchy is a fairly, when was the series released? It was like early 2000s, isn't it? So Foy then obviously had to be going at this for a whilst. Um, not whilst. Wrong sentence. Okay. Anyway, thank you, George. You rock. First of all, for introducing me to Foy Vance. Second of all, because you bought me beers and buy me coffee. Thank you. I appreciate you. I look forward to anything and everything else that you send my way, because now I know you have got good taste. And I will check you guys on the next one. Thank you and goodbye.